SilverFast HDR's user interface is designed to provide the user with the paramount in regard to ease of use, speed, productivity, and quality. Using SilverFast is easy. The workflow pilot guides the user step by step through each selected task. The active tool is always accompanied by a corresponding help text. Users also have the option to work without the workflow pilot, which provides access to the full-fledged graphical user interface. The main toolbar is located on the top of the preview area. The control dock on the left holds the different active tools dialogues. The vertical toolbar on the left shows all the special SilverFast functions. The graphical user interface is able to adapt to the individual needs of the user. For example, every tool dialog can be taken out of the control dock and placed anywhere you like, including a second monitor. Every dialog can be minimized to the title bar and maximized again. If need be, it can also be placed back in the control dock. Drag images onto the preview area to open them in SilverFast HDR. If you drag a folder onto the preview area, every image contained therein will be added to the Job Manager. Selecting images on the Virtual Light Table, VLT, is even easier. The VLT lets you, among other things, rate images, mark them with colors, or check for sharpness with the 1x1 magnifying glass. Add images to the Job Manager by double-clicking onto one or more images. You can also drag them onto the Job Manager symbol, or the Job Manager window. SilverFast HDR's and HDR Studio's Job Manager is the key feature when it comes to efficient batch processing. It administers to every queued image frame, and every frame corresponds to its very own entry in the Job Manager. Double-clicking a Job Manager entry loads the image in the preview area. It is possible to change the order in the Job Manager and remove entries. The Job Manager allows for the transfer of tool settings from one frame to another. When the batch processing is started, a preview of the images to be processed, as well as the progress of the current images, are displayed in the Job Manager window. We will demonstrate the general handling of tool palettes using the tool Unsharp Masking, USM, as an example. The preview modes 1x1 and high quality show the image in a way that every screen pixel corresponds to an image pixel. This allows for real-time monitoring or the review of tool settings. The 1x1 preview applies tools and filters to the yellow marked image section in order to save time when calculating. In contrast, the high-quality preview applies filters to the whole image. In the Navigator window, you can therefore move the yellow frame without the need to recalculate filters. All active tools can be used simultaneously. In order to check the effect of any tool, tools can be temporarily deactivated. Closing a tool's palette deactivates the tool entirely. The activity window shows the different phases of the program's image processing. A click on the file icon opens the scanned image in the standard image viewing application.